Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch split 5-spoke alloy wheels. Black MB text interior with the cell pattern trim. GLA 250 4MATIC badging. Clean set of floor mats, 60/40 fold down mirror seats. Blind spot assist. Memory seats, power windows. Smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Steering wheel controls. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition. Media display. Rear view backup camera. Hard keys for the media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, turn wheel for the infotainment center. This GLA has 18,096 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.